I've been walking through the shadows of my own mistakes, holding pieces of a life I don't know how to fix. Every promise that I make keeps breaking in my hands, and every whispered fear returns again. Lord, I'm trembling in the quiet of this broken room, trying not to fall away from you too soon. I'm fading, Lord, I'm fading fast, but you're the only strength I have. So when the night is heavy and the tears blur my sight, hold my heart steady, don't let me lose the fight. Jesus, don't leave me when my heart falls apart. You're the anchor in the storm, the healer of my scars. Stay beside me in the pain, don't let me drift too far. Oh Jesus, don't leave me when my heart falls apart.
I've been carrying the weight of words I'll never say, hurting from the memories I can't erase. And I've been calling out your name through the quiet ache, hoping you can hear the sound this soul makes. If grace can reach the darkest part of who I am, then let your mercy fall like rain again. Lift me up, Lord, from this place, wrap me in your endless grace. When I'm sinking deeper, when I'm losing who I am, take my shaking hands, Lord, teach my heart to stand. Jesus, don't leave me when my heart falls apart. You're the anchor in the storm, the healer of my scars. Stay beside me in the pain, don't let me drift too far. Oh Jesus, don't leave me when my heart falls apart. You're the light